the things your name or the meaning of your name speaks. Chi what? Chi doesn't have any meaning. Am I making sense, my brother? Chi no nyerem. Chi chukwe buka. You know, Igbo ya nisi. And the more you confess that your name is, the more positive impact you create in your life. You know, I'm not Igbo. Do you speak Igbo fluently or you partially speak Igbo? Because from looking at you or by men looking at you, your mother said, he's written all over him. What part of Lagos? Ajagule, right? First tag. Side the now, behind the river. Sister Avenue in our town. Oh, better. Inside the better. That canal, every living down on a bomb like that time. Behind the canal, gate, Amona. Now, welcome. Where is your village in Imo State? Mbano. Sialambano. Your father is a policeman, a robbery, armed robber, a organizer, a thief. So what's your father? What does he do? He clears and forward. Woman pass or animal. Okay, he clears. Do you have a car? You have a car. Okay, you soon buy. But okay, you sold it. Your father cleared it to another person or forwarded it. Because you can't be clearing people's car, forwarding their car you don't have. Am I making sense? You don't give what you don't have. A pastor will not be saying, why you not someone? Pastor, lay your hands, I pray for you, conceive, and they move around one the pastor, and you are praying for people. It doesn't work. I am not a type you can deceive with such mentality. You don't give what you don't have. Yes, you can't be living in somebody's house and you're praying for your member in the church to build their house. Am I making sense? So let's stop deceiving us with all those superstitious beliefs. I don't take those shit.